Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 880 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Bare Minerals Lashtopia Mascara. So this is clearly just a sample that I got, but you can buy the full-size version for $20. It's available at Ulta and Sephora and Bare Minerals. Ooh, this is cute, sleek packaging. This looks like, from what I can tell in the pictures, a miniature version of the full size. So the full size has this really nice packaging as well. But I have high expectations for this because of the claims that this says. It sounds amazing. It says 10 times lash volume. That's a really big claim, and that would be really big volume if it happens. It's also supposed to lift and separate the lashes for fanned out lashes, which if you've seen my mascara reviews, I always talk about how I like the fanned out look. This is supposed to be nourishing and it's a mineral based formula. So I love mascaras that are also really good for my lashes. It says intense jet black pigments, smudge and clump resistant. So let's see what this applicator looks like. Ooh, wow, there are a lot of bristles on this. It's like a very full applicator. So here is what that looks like. I could definitely see this being really great for the lashes and really separating and coating all of them. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to one of my eyes. Ooh, yes, I definitely notice the first thing I see is that jet black color. So it doesn't take long to make all of the lashes that dark black color. And there is no clumping. The lashes are staying nice and separated. And so far, it's looking good, but we are far from that 10 times volume. We're at maybe 1 times the volume right now. But now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my lower lashes while I let those top lashes sit. But so far, it's not getting mascara on my eyelid, so that's great as well. It didn't even really get mascara on my under eye, so I like this as a lower lash line mascara as well. Does a good job of coating all of the lashes and making them really dark. Okay, I spoke too soon. Now I did get some mascara on my under eye, but I swear this happens like every single day. But okay, now I'm gonna go in and try and layer this mascara up even more. I really wanna see that 10 times the amount of volume. And it does seem to layer up really nicely. It's still not getting clumpy. Still keeping the lashes separated. So I feel like this is pretty volumizing. It does take some building up though. And it does seem to be nice and lengthening because I feel like the volume goes all the way up to the tips of the lashes. But what I think might be my favorite thing about this is just how perfectly separated and fanned out it keeps the lashes. Because that's when I feel like it looks the best. It looks like you have the most lashes, the fullest lashes, when they're not all sticking and clumping together. It looks really nice, but it's not like I'm getting crazy amounts of volume. I have definitely had other mascaras that give my lashes more volume. And this is starting to be pretty time consuming to try and get my lashes to be as completely volumized as possible with this mascara. but it does layer up so well, where it's still not clumping, still not making the lashes stick together. So I really do think if I could sit here and layer and layer and layer, maybe I really could get to that 10-time volume, because it just layers up amazingly. There is so much volume. These lashes are looking really, really good right now. And let's see. Yep, it is curling and lifting. See, I do this test to see if like the lashes touch my eyelid, and they are. I didn't curl my lashes, but they are lifted enough that they can actually touch my eyelid. But speaking of my eyelid, I don't have any mascara on it. I love that. It's so clean to apply. All right, let me do a zoomed in view so that you can see these amazing lashes. Oh my gosh. It took some time to build up, but I'm so happy with them. The claims were right. This mascara does everything I want it to. Super volumizing, lifting, and separating. And it's a very dark black shade, and this applicator is awesome. I love that it's very easy to use without getting mascara all over my eyelids. The only thing is that you do have to spend a lot of time layering and layering to build up that volume, but it layers up so well. And I do truly like sitting there and layering up my mascara. But it's just I don't always have time for that. And it's decent on the lower lashes. It's just a little bit big of an applicator to really be able to get the lower lashes as coated as I want them to be. But it still works fine. I'm not super picky when it comes to lower lash mascara. All right, so here is the finished look with my super volumized lashes. And I have to say, I am very impressed and very, very happy with this. I am picky with my mascaras, and I have a lot of qualities that I look for in my mascara, and like I said, this does all of them. So I really, really like this. I would definitely recommend it. I would love to know in the comments down below what your favorite mascaras are. I love mascara. It's one of my staple makeup products that I feel like I have to wear every day. So I would love to get some recommendations of your favorite mascaras. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.